Hi, I'm Debbie. I love Tupperware. I wanted to show you the special they have. Tupperware is making 80 years this year. I made 30 years with Tupperware last month. But they have this special with the bowls, and I think if you just see the flyer, you just see the flyers, and you go, I don't need all those bowls. But I assure you, you do need all these bowls, and I want to show you why. Okay, first of all, it's a great deal. This bowl is usually $39. The jumbo, that's a bowl. It's usually $39. It's on sale for $29. This set is $65, and this set is $52. But if you buy it together as a set of 5, it's only $75. That's a steal. That's such a good price. And these are a set of the extra mini bowls, and they're on sale for $15 for 3, or you can buy one for $6. But if you buy this bowl and you buy this set and you buy this set, it's only $119. Usually way more than that. So probably $161 at least. So this is a great deal. But I'm going to show you next is what you should do with all these bowls, because I think not only do you need one set, you need to buy 2 sets because you need to get ready. There's so many things you can do with them. Okay, you know how you use a basket and you make a gift basket for somebody? What do they do with the gift basket after they're done? I don't know. I don't know how to use the ones I have. But make a bowl instead because they can use the bowl after. So we have people graduating from high school, graduating from college. Why not make them a bowl that they can use always and give them the ingredients to make Chex Mix? Now that way they can make Chex Mix. They can give their friends Chex Mix at school, or they can even sell Chex Mix to their friends and make a little bit of extra money if they're getting out of college. So this is some of the basic ingredients for Chex Mix. So you put this and you put a bowl. Isn't that a great idea? Okay, this is the Mega That's a Bowl. And that's the same thing. Instead of using a gift basket, we'll make it a gift bowl. And we'll put, I'm not good at this. I don't make a lot of gift things. But you can put whatever you have, just put in the bottom like fancy paper or something. I just use this from Amazon. Amos Brown is my middle name. But you can make, this one you can make with chips. And then you could put in some salsa and some cheese and whatever else you want to give them so they can make nachos. They can make nachos. When their friends come over, they have a big bowl and they can put everything right in here. And okay, the next one is popcorn. Especially if they're going off to college or coming back from college and they're getting their own place. If they don't have a popcorn maker already, Tupperware has microwave popcorn maker, the Wow popcorn maker. But I got some fancy paper. So you can crunch this all up, make it look pretty. Can you tell I don't usually do gift baskets? But I think this is a neat idea. Maybe I should start doing gift baskets. I'm waiting to see how much noise this makes on the camera. Sorry if it's too loud. Anyway, you put in popcorn. You have to have popcorn. And then you put in some mochi, some nacho cheddar, some popcorn, movie theater, butter, salt. Put in some for coffee. You can put in some ranch dressing. You can put in butter. You can put in whatever you want. Whatever their favorite is, that's the one you should get them and make it for them. And they have not only the stuff to make popcorn, but they also have this neat gift basket. Isn't that cool? I think this one is my favorite one. Birthday cake in a bowl. So you use this one, the pink one, and you put it inside. And this one I actually have printed out. And you put in the cake mix, and you put in a thing of icing. And do you know that when you make a cake, you can just use lemon lime or 7-Up or Sprite instead of the eggs, oil, and water. So you put that in. You put in a thing of candles, and you put in a thing of balloons. And you put the instructions in and give them a mini birthday in a bag instead of in a container. But they can use this again and again and again. And when they use the bowl, they'll think about you. Then again, if pink is your favorite color, you can keep this bowl and put it in a different bowl. Okay, what should we do with the orange bowl? We'll put it in a bag too, and use it as a basket. Use it as a basket. And then you can put something like brownie mix, chocolate brownie mix, and you can put a nice towel in with it and make it a nice gift. And then you just close it up and you have another. Okay, now we have the green bowl. Well, we're running out of space here. So many gifts to give away. So this is a little bowl, but it still holds 6 cups. And you know, when you make a pancake mix, you only need pancake mix and a cup of water and syrup. You could give them the syrup and a couple things of pancake mix as a gift. So that's another gift idea. You can put anything you want. Of course, these are my favorites, and that's why I'm making them. So now, what should we do with the smaller bowls? Because remember, there's 3 for $15 of the blue ones. We have to do that. I'm going to do the small bowls instead of 3. Because, of course, they're perfect for gift giving too. So you have a smaller bag though, because those are kind of big bags. But they sell the bags wherever you buy your baskets from. Just don't buy the baskets, just get the bowls. So you can use Simon and you can put a couple things with Simon and put chopsticks with it, and just put a little ribbon around it. And that makes a great little gift. Doesn't break the bank, and they have a useful bowl after they can eat out of. That's one. And then you can use Oreos, you know, the mini Oreos, whatever little snack bags you want to put inside. You can use that as one. And then you can also use two. And then you can use mini Oreo, and then the Rice Krispie treats. They're good. Put that in there. And you have nine different gifts to give away. Just by buying the bowl set. Aren't they cute? They have the 3 mini bowls. We have pancake mix, birthday in a bowl. We have the brownie mix. And we have the popcorn. And we have chips with salsa, cheese, and chips. And then we have the Chex Mix one. So you tell me Which would be your favorite one for somebody to give you? And don't you agree? You need 2 sets of these bowls. $119 for 3, the set of 5, and the 1 jumbo bowl. Let me know.